You're navigating an era of great change, full of complexity and uncertainty. When it comes to custom metalwork engineering, professional finishing, and complex electromechanical integration, having the right expertise in crucial subsystems manufacturing is essential. If these capabilities aren't available in-house, or if these projects are stretching your team too thin, you need a partner who can deliver on time, on budget, and to your exacting standards. Since 1966, Captec Subsystems Engineering Division has been committed to absolute excellence in manufacturing and integration. With decades of experience, Captec is tried, tested, and trusted. With an unwavering commitment to surpassing customer expectations across a diverse range of industries, our specialist teams seamlessly deliver high-quality custom finished metalwork and complex electromechanical assemblies ranging from prototypes through to complete production batches. Our highly skilled engineers specialize in consultative design and support, helping you to realize your projects, whether in sheet metal or highly complex CNC work. This approach allows us to specify materials and manufacturing methods ideal for units that will operate in extremely demanding environments. Utilizing mature and quality-controlled manufacturing processes and state-of-the-art equipment, we meticulously form, cut, punch, mill, and finish precision metalwork to the highest specifications, whilst ensuring materials are thoroughly documented and verified for complete traceability. Our state-of-the-art 5-axis CNC machining further caters to the most complex and dynamic of designs. This capability enables us to deliver unparalleled versatility, achieving the ideal balance of ultra-high precision, quality, and speed for small or large batch sizes. Through extensive selection of the highest quality industrial materials, we ensure a top-tier finish every time, no matter the application. This allows us to meet customer specifications up to the most stringent industry or defense standards. Our experienced finishing team supports small and large batch projects across a diverse range of finish requirements, from basic wet paint and powder coating to specialized anodizing or chemical treatments. Our comprehensive service also extends to silkscreen printing, pad printing, and laser part marking to fully personalize the units to your brand. Our in-house electromechanical specialists provide both pre-production engineering support throughout your development cycle to full production once your design is finalized, bringing a wealth of experience producing custom PCBs, cable assemblies, wiring harnesses, and managing all the mechanical and connectivity integration. We assist with full mechanical design and electrical schematic support, as well as point-to-point continuity to full functional testing to meet your precise specifications. Our experience and range of end-to-end services allow us to be a dependable UK-based partner for our customers' build-to-print requirements. Captec offers a holistic single-source manufacturing service to support you from initial concept through to final delivery, while maintaining visibility and control over design and quality. So, the choice is clear. If you're looking for a tried, tested, and trusted source for your subsystems engineering, choose Captec. Let's get started.